Actually, I want beside it, but I say go baby. You don't feel no yesterday. Oh, God.
Okay.
So.
No,
but we never got
he's
interested
right,
in video here.
He's right.
Don't.
But, yeah, but you're on perfect editor now. You can just
yeah, but I
it
mean,
in
okay.
afterwards. Now put that in the cute face now.
Perfect.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I have some new faces on my channel. Alright, I'm gonna make everybody introduce themselves, starting from Chad.
Maybe what I see, I look at example if you see how to do it.
Alright, I should introduce yourself first.
Like if I get up and say hi.
Alright, you know what? Okay guys, this is Ashley.
Yeah.
This is Chad.
Very well.
And this is Rad, okay? So we're trying to work with the frame. We're at Levy's Lounge right now. You guys can't see the sign. It's like right there. Yeah, I can angle it.
Now make them see it, man.
There we go.
Yeah, man, now make them see it.
So we're at Levy's Lounge. Ash bought me some edibles for my birthday and I did not eat them. So I thought we could all eat them on camera and, you know, probably either answer some questions or do a smash or pass while we are high.
When you say edibles, I don't know if people think like me, but I want thing that.
I don't know what I mean, right? Like edibles, like actual edibles.
Yeah.
No, but you know what he was gonna say?
I don't even want to know.
There
There are many different edible things, guys, but don't say it. Don't. We're trying to be decent on my channel. Can we please do that? Them don't normal. Them don't normal. But yeah, so we got the edibles and all of this and all of it. This Ash, we're gonna use the one. We don't need no more than this, right?
No.
Okay.
But you said Oreo.
Shada, I need some
Alright,
more.
cool.
But what if
all broken up.
What if I like me hungry?
So it's broken up. It's a brownie, right? It's broken up, but we're gonna take like a piece because them say we must pace yourself. I've never had edibles before, so this should be very interesting. Before we get any further into the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, drop us a comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video.
9.
Yeah.
Alright guys, come on, do the
sorry.
sharing.
8.
9.
You do the sharing.
Well, I'm sorry guys, I'm a very sexual person.
I can't bother with them for me, I'm stressed out. Come, I'll take my turn like communion. Oh.
We're gonna edit that out. You can do that, right?
Last time, woman feel you know, she have to carry more, I tell her for now, you know. So do it at your own risk. Yeah, bird feed me. I too like a bird feeding thing. Come like a oil for food feed.
I can't bother. Stress out.
Well,
At what point does this kick in?
like an hour.
I lie.
We don't have that much time.
We're gonna be driving when the shit hits.
Hold on.
It doesn't hit.
You
one
see like
time.
I'm not to eat from morning. I give myself 15 minutes.
Too many about edibles make things are enough food to eat. Somebody has save space. When you want to full up the space, you know. Somebody you gonna really enjoy, you know.
We ain't eating yet, you know.
It will go sad for you really.
You sure we don't need to go for the
because
next
you
one?
already frost.
All of it. Stop
I
biting.
know.
Stop biting.
Go, 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 go.
Good boy.
Yeah, come my yard.
No.
I'll drive you, that's fine.
Oh, how you so sure so you have a can dinner?
That's you
Because
all
I
the
do
time.
edibles all the time. Perfect.
Hold on, man. So what's the feed that we have flown?
Oh, shit. No, it was supposed to.
What's the feed
There
that
we go.
We're not there yet. We're not there yet.
Might as well.
The man frost enough.
I don't
Can I tell him?
know if you feel like what me feel.
Oh, yeah.
Chad, you're vaping and eating at the same time. Why are you doing that?
And eating.
You don't eat. Let me eat for you then, no? Take your turn there.
So we're gonna do a smash or pass.
No, Ash.
Shoot.
Look at that style, here.
Celebrity edition. Chat first.
It takes that long for me.
Like Shenseea, no? Yeah, man, like Shenseea. Shenseea have me, man.
Shenseea.
Yeah, man. Shenseea have me. Like,
So smash.
Yeah, man, straight.
Who the hell would have not smashed Shenseea?
I wouldn't fuck Shenseea.
Yo,
Look
that.
how one go.
Yo, that. Let me
Once,
get
she's not my bodyguard.
Shenseea boss. 4 player.
I would smash.
Shenseea boss 4 player.
No,
I'm
4 places.
watching night and go sleep. So, see that boy after 5, 6 in the morning. I was Shenseea upon the backers. So, you know, something that me at work. I'm here working, brother. I'm in a up on God. Go wake me up. Someone wake up and someone waste a wine. Me lock me eye quick and tight. Tight. Could the gym come back? Burn me.
Oh, I hope I didn't enjoy it while it lasts though.
If you tell about it, I'm going to man gym water again. Cha.
Jada.
What name, so?
Kingdom.
Long time. Raw.
No, that.
I don't know. She is.
She not give me a buzz.
Hold on, them I don't understand, you know?
Her
Shenseea,
face
but you know,
too round for me.
Yeah,
Why?
because I like them petite. You know, okay,
Oh.
I
So
can
she's not petite, right?
No, leave him alone. She's
Like,
more petite than she's
to my muscles. You know?
Slightly. Because
Yeah,
when
man.
she came, remember, so she did come and do the
Yeah.
She's not all that big. Like, that she look big up on camera.
And then like,
Jada.
Oh, when she did come here,
She's
sir?
not.
So
Yeah.
all that ass?
Like
She
camera.
proportionate. It's not as extra as it look on camera. Dead ass. Like when I see her, I was shook.
but like I sang them
Maybe,
about.
maybe.
I might be like,
No, no.
Smash.
Her songs? And I did found it.
You would smash, yeah? Alright.
Gully Bop. Talk it short.
Oh, that end up be a question.
The
Gully
last-
Bop our star.
Exactly.
I'm going to say celebrity, you know.
True.
How is he a celebrity again?
That's a hard no.
Every girl want to buck off of me. Oh,
Yeah.
every girl want. Yeah, Gully Bop.
Nah.
Let's speak it short.
Like
Come
how
in.
dinner time.
Come in and lie still, you know. What do you mackerel put up a picture?
Mackerel look damn good.
What she put up a
That
The
picture?
girl look
never-
damn good.
That picture did not do her
What?
justice though.
When she not
Her
goal,
body nice.
when she not goal,
Mackerel though.
mackerel come out, man, all the way out, man.
I wouldn't,
Like
I wouldn't.
just that moment,
I wouldn't.
just that one moment.
I'm not saying that she's not.
Yeah,
good
you know,
looking,
yeah, but no.
But no.
No.
Everybody saying no? Alright.
No.
Me I go against the
Yeah,
I
curve.
say a picture of me
Yes.
say, the picture of me
You
say
smash
mackerel.
mackerel.
Yeah.
A picture of me say,
Why?
like the
Alright, give me an actual reason why not.
The fans? I'm sorry, I like
Alright,
Look
okay,
here,
now.
look here,
Hold on,
look
now.
here, look here.
Yeah,
Remember, they don't think with up here. They think with down there.
Yeah.
no man.
That's not what
man.
I was
But
going
if
to
I'm
say.
doing
Nice,
something
though.
and I can't look at you and feel okay, look here. Don't follow him.
Why?
You see, everybody gonna talk about pies and all them people.
Spice, that's a good question. Spice.
Guys,
Spice?
Una
Yeah.
first. Una first.
We ask them that smash spice,
Yeah.
smashes. One time.
That's a strange question.
Okay, alright, fine. So that's a given, yes.
Yeah, it's a strange
Well,
question.
yeah.
Why
she's
is
way
strange?
too thick for me.
Why is spice?
So is that a
strange?
no?
No, you're not. Maybe you're not understand.
I
She
don't
understand. A strange
Ashley,
question
maybe
to
like,
ask if you like this spice.
I'm not attracted to her. I'm not.
Yeah.
She's sexy enough. I'll always admit when people look damn good.
Yeah, cause she look
But
good for
that
sure.
don't mean someone here.
To save me the editing, could we like not use the F word?
Oh, sorry.
Smash.
Yeah, how about you? You know what though? You might
me,
cut
though.
out the actual word. But leave
The
that
mouth
part
of-
there in
the
there.
mouth
No,
of the
leave
still-
that part there in there,
Which
so
part?
when you just say, oh, save me the editing, and don't use the F word.
Yes.
So no more talking about fun.
No more fudging. No more fudging. Okay. Can we do let's
Yeah,
go
take long
international.
though.
I got
No, there's
Why
only
did too much?
one.
Why did too much Jamaican?
Ooh,
There's
Not
only
gonna get it.
one.
oh.
So
Dexta Daps.
You know what? That
Anywhere.
was in my head.
Anywhere.
That was in
What
my
I
head.
like-
Me know somebody would have said
Tell
that.
you a story. My ex was mounting off about how girls at Dexta Daps shows will do anything for him, and I'm like, when he was done, I was like, I'm from road.
But if Dexta can't perform, or he say,
that which is a very highly likely possibility enough time when people love talk about things like that. Let's just put that out there.
Let me.
Either way, he's fine, so
No,
he could get it.
Like, have you seen the leaks? All I need for this later.
I've never seen the leagues.
Girl, all I
You
need
know,
for this
I bet
later.
they
and
put your
then picture
phone.
the other day.
Her face. What her face?
I don't. Actually.
It's not.
so that's
Somebody
Dexta up alone.
For her,
Yes,
looks
for me.
so.
Your
I'm
life,
very picky.
your life sad.
Nope, the way how I'm sewn, nobody can tell me nothing. Him eat the goods. Yeah,
Yo.
definitely eat the goods.
Like yam and banana. I got you, girl. I got you.
But people like that, they're snacks. They're not meals. You can't take that home and take it every day. You just
That's
want
yeah.
like
That's
a one knock. You know? Snacks.
I mean, consistency will
Yeah.
jack you up. Like.
Yep.
Just so you understand, there are some people eat snacks right through the day.
No, thank you. You need an actual meal at some point. Yeah. Like I need my meal.
Who next?
I was a dancer though. Go somewhere.
Yeah.
Any celebrity?
Yeah.
Even YouTube personalities?
Technically.
Who you go for?
Lataya.
Get the hell out!
Like,
Go and answer this, everybody.
smash.
Yeah, man.
I think it's 3 smashes.
Okay.
No, you don't think so. Don't do
I'd
that.
smash me.
That,
4.
For sure. I would smash me.
But, not right,
But
though.
then you say me if you think about it, it just
That creep you out, bro.
Yeah, just
yeah,
a
that
little bit.
that
No,
Only a
but
little
that's
bit.
why I just look at her.
Only a little bit.
that it's hard.
It's hard to what?
Believe me.
Oh,
See her as a
I
sexual
understand
person?
if it's hard.
Not really, like to make that connection there. It just yeah.
Alright, it's like one of this. It's like one of this. Like
Come from where we're coming from.
yes,
You would
like for
understand,
example, if you see Lataya, like naked, you'll be like, bombard, but
Oh, me?
would I be like,
how did we get
Continue.
here?
but,
How did we
but
get
then
here?
me now would I be like, I didn't need to see that.
You can admire and say, yes, this person is sexy.
Uh-huh.
Yes, if this person giving, I would take it. But you're not go for it. You're not ask it. You're not beg for it.
Nah,
You don't
that's-
want it.
that-
If you
that-
get it, you take
Then,
it.
yeah.
You're in.
Eh?
You're in. When you see her, you want to go. You know?
No, not even
Right,
that.
man, we're straightforward.
Not even that. As me say, straight. Is a good looking girl, but me not gonna ask her. Nah, look.
Good idea.
Munching and crunching. Just not like some words when you use, you know? You know what you're doing?
Chad.
It does throw me off. Like.
Munching
No,
and
Actually, no comment, please.
Oh, yes.
Just leave that shit.
What did I do?
You know, but make
it's
it.
what you're about to do.
Yeah.
Right?
You're about to
You
be
know what I
Ashley.
said? You see how she ease back?
But still, I'm going to Rihanna, you know, brother.
Hell yes. Any day, anytime. Really
I'm
is
fun for
there.
it.
What?
Yeah. She stopped singing song now. She's a Jamaican artist.
Who was the Jamaican artist?
You might as well talk about
Shireen
somebody
Anderson.
else. Shireen? Nah, more this much.
Wanna be a
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shireen did act though, you know.
She's still at. Like,
No,
Long time
she
in the
did
see her,
act.
some in the know.
I knew that she was going to say that.
like, yeah, but Shireen, I'm not going to Riri still.
Anybody would have gone and
Rihanna.
Anybody.
I'm blind man.
You know, you said that 2 times so far.
Him just have to emphasize. You see me? It worked the emphasis.
No, not really.
What is it?
But I think about Beyonce.
I'm not weird.
Who's that?
No.
No,
Who's that?
yeah, but I think about Beyonce.
I was
Beyonce? No.
the only one that I find her attractive, but I don't.
Don't,
find
yeah.
Her, like,
I don't find her. I mean, it's not that she's not sexy. She's not sexy to me, to be honest. She's attractive, but I don't mean to get that sexual vibe there from her at
Yeah.
all.
don't put this one on there.
That's true.
Sorry, you're gonna have to repeat us.
No, like Beyonce, but still,
Yeah, but nah.
yeah, but Demi Lovato still.
Huh?
No.
Demi Lovato?
Yeah.
She's cute.
No, all I know.
I'm sorry,
Who is
guys,
that?
but I don't.
Alright.
Stone
You just.
Cold.
I'm kidding.
I'm
Oh,
not
I am
racist or
kidding.
anything, but
So-
I
Is that
am
a no?
kidding. I would
I'm
do
not
it.
really attracted to white people.
She's not white, and you are racist. You
She's
saying
white.
that? No, she's not.
No.
I'm
She's mixed.
attracted to them.
She's mixed. She's mixed.
No.
She's mixed.
I'm just not.
I think she's
All
partly
right.
Spanish.
Since we're along that line,
I'm going to say
Miley.
one. Miley what?
Cyrus?
No, you must be mad. Never.
But she's
Like,
not
oh,
attractive.
crazy.
where you find Miley? Like, where deep you go to dig up Miley a while ago?
Back I was there back of your mind.
because they were along that line, so I just thought,
No,
why
how was
the
that
hell
along
not?
that line? What
Ariana
Disney channels?
Grande,
Oh.
Demi Lovato. You get what I said?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Dead ass. I saw a YouTube video last night. I don't know. I couldn't bring myself.
watch YouTube videos?
I couldn't. Yeah, I do. I couldn't bring myself for like watch the entire video because I was just like, people do this.
What's that?
Okay, it was a couple. They got married, virgins.
What?
They got married virgins in their 20s.
I can tell you something. God bless them.
Wow.
Like, they are so romantic.
And them
it's just-
Jamaican.
I'm
I'm gonna put their channel link down below, guys.
I
Wanna check them out.
I
Really
really,
married?
Yeah.
I adore them.
And they are cute as hell.
I adore them. God bless those.
You know what? I'm not gonna judge them because guess what? Their relationship is stronger than anything.
That's the thing, because it wasn't influenced by that one thing that tends to influence everything.
What one thing is that?
Rad don't.
The fudge thing.
The fudge thing. Fudge.
That's how I like ice cream, my brother.
But like seriously, I feel like part 2 of this, guys, which I know you guys will request, we're gonna be doing a video strictly on relationships and stuff that happens in relationships. Because what I wanted to talk about is me want to know why things change when sex come in play, Ashley. Why?
I'm the opposite though. As you said, I'm not really a girl.
Alright, listen now. Not really ask a certain question, cause
You know, I go like the answer.
But get for real,
Yeah, I like the
Ashley do things just to please herself. Like, I
Are
just.
you calling me selfish?
That's I mean, he asked
wasn't,
you
no,
earlier,
he wasn't.
and you know.
But the thing about it, we make no relationship break down. Sometimes I hear why them break up are some simple things, so you'll be like, seriously? But people don't take time to know people. I'm saying know somebody, I not talk. Oh, I see that I know, but know the person.
The person as a whole.
So most relationships start, and even if 2 months down the line, sex shipping is like you guys take no interest no longer in knowing things about each other.
I don't know what kind of relationship
That's
you've been in, Chad.
but I mean, it's not even like at that most of the time. We're gonna make that a separate video. We can't talk about that in another video here. This is a smash or pass while high, okay? Come, let's go. Give us names.
You meant 2 weeks though, right?
Yeah, you know, I said this bit of
I know, right?
like
Please let it go.
this have a different
No,
flavor.
but he said 2 months.
Like,
Wait, you wait 2 months for sex drive?
like
Sorry, I just heard that.
yeah, but Marie, yeah, let me hear me asking
Alright,
what going.
stop. I'm gonna, I'm gonna leave that one alone. Till the next video.
So Maria said, you know, so I'm not romantic. I'm not romantic at all. I'm just crabby so. It's like under want it so.
Yo, life short, you know.
Very, but I mean, you still have to think about shit before.
You know,
you do it.
sometimes
No, I think that is the worst, most horrible thing to do.
Think
in life.
about it.
Think about things. Just do shit and then face the consequences after sometimes.
Wow, what a way to live.
That's the best way to live.
Gosh, your eye them red.
you're still young.
Mr. Laway.
Just a guy having fun.
Yeah.
No, seriously, if you want, I can go for the coconut and you can get there much faster. You're just gonna be much more high.
Yo, listen to me.
Right there. All right. Let's vote. Who thinks I should eat another piece?
I think you should eat the whole thing by yourself. That one smells
Yeah,
good.
it smells better than the other one. Do I have to be decent? Okay, there we go.
Oh yeah, it was
My
warm
son
enough
over
in the
here saying
car.
one thing I think about it was like, when may I get my piece?
Sure.
Because I'm feeding you.
Oh God.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Is that what you want?
It's kind of stronger than the other one, no?
Yes, it is.
That tastes it, man.
Sugar hard, we don't know.
You don't get piece already?
No.
Yes, he did. If Chad wants to die, he dies. I'm not a drug addict.
Smash or pass, guys.
Marcus Garvey.
He's a very strong man.
Oh, you know that?
When I gave him peace,
Oh, you know Marcus strong.
when I gave him peace.
My grandfather was a strong. Marcus was a strong.
Hey, make some when I gave him peace. Love me.
Oh,
One
God.
still like you, eh?
I just me I tried I look chaos. I tried I don't.
I'm tired.
Look over here, sir, bro. You look droopy.
I can go and look for me here.
Where that come from, bro?
Yo.
Because you have a strong resistance, so you eat something this morning.
Like on belly full?
How you feel?
Huh?
I want to clean up a bit.
I feel
You should have
I'm
had
okay.
this one.
This one should go first, man.
Yeah.
Don't you reach my
Honestly,
digestive
alright,
tract yet, I'm
So
feel
like,
good.
like me can't eat no more.
You,
Like,
if you want to,
First of all, I'm
Come, guys.
postpaid.
2 more or 3 more. And
me
then
have one more.
Alright.
I'll let Marcus go.
Chad?
None of the maroon?
A portion, we don't go sister.
Ew! I'm not answer that. Y'all already know what it is
Yes.
from us.
work.
Yes?
What the girl
That
name?
pretty girl, she ugly up her face, Papa.
Tarajua?
Trash PNC?
Taraji, yes!
That's not
That
a
is
girl.
big! Yes,
That's not a
smash.
girl. That's a
Taraji? Cookie?
woman.
From Empire?
You ever watch?
nice.
You ever watch Baby Boy?
Body nice.
Yes, I have one.
Body nice.
So then
yeah.
why wouldn't you hit it?
She's okay.
I did.
But that crumble that
You guys realize that these are people with meat, right? I'm not into meat.
you like
Like manga things.
No, I'm like people thicker than me.
But you are
not manga than
very
me.
slim.
LMA.
And I want him like you know, Ashley. It's
LMA.
you like people thick like you.
LMA.
Hey, you like that.
LMA, boot up girl.
No. Oh. I know
That
this.
pretty little curly ear girl.
Yeah, she's nice. No?
I don't know who that is. Alright. With oh now go on, but just go say yes.
More make love to her. More smash her.
Yeah,
I make love to her.
She looks nice.
She give me that slow jam there.
I don't know who that is either. Ha!
The girl with the tats.
Yes.
And she pretty as.
I know her song better.
Let me, somebody who have data, me have data, but we need her to say, like, that
No,
I
she
still
knows.
for Kalani.
She knows who it is.
And I'm afraid to see her if you know such a smash the business. Let's just do our vibes.
Yo,
This one is
why is it so hot?
Because she's in the hot spot. Fast not there, so that red sitting there.
my screen is it?
Yo, you asleep?
Oh my god, it's so hot.
Chad!
What is it?
Pass the red sitting.
You know, check out
You
this
see what I do? You see what I do?
Like, me don't know about me alone, but
You look good.
when I realize how my handsome,
Oh my god.
like, look at it, like, I say, if I was to red, which I don't know, so my best fireman, I don't know anything about. So, think about it, you would have smashed me.
Yo, this is the light we should be getting.
You would have smashed me, Ashley. Talk it to the God now.
God knows.
Pretty.
Ashley, you ignore me.
Yes, I am. That's not her?
Say that on this video.
Okay.
Mama is fine.
Oh, I didn't know it was her.
Yes.
Let me
I
see
feel
this.
like she bad.
Yeah.
Hold this
She's
there.
bad.
You know her?
No,
You don't know her?
I don't know her, but I do her.
She's fine.
Yo.
Yo.
She's
So
her
smash.
song?
The
Smash,
master
smash,
of
smash,
the
smash, yeah?
I don't have to see her if I say me that smash her. Her voice too sweet.
No, man, she look bad. Yeah, she look like she
Okay, one more person and we're done. Chris Brown! Bae. All day.
like grew up bae.
Done.
Like everyday bae.
Yeah, smash
Like
for sure.
I don't care if you can do it, but like damn,
Sure.
I just look at him.
But Ashley,
You remember
never
when
said
that
that part.
leak came out though? It was,
You never
it
said that
was- it
still,
was
Ashley, because for you, everybody's like, you don't really care what them can do. It's just like,
Like, I agree.
Oh no, like him, I just put in a box and just look at him.
That's about Dexta Daps too.
No, that's
No.
not what she said about Dexta.
Dexta Daps and Sam Carolina with that beef.
Chris Brown too mainstream.
He's so cute though.
No,
Yes, he is.
fully disagree.
Like you would agree that a guy is cute.
I like him.
Janae Aiko.
But I play that, yeah.
Hell yes! That's Bae. That's Bae
her?
too.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's sweet.
That is nasty.
I'm a brother girlfriend.
What's wrong with her?
Huh?
What's wrong with her?
Oh,
Posted it.
oh. Jenny, oh.
What's wrong with her son?
Posted it. That's
Yeah.
it.
He's just saying.
That's it.
What's she name? Jenny money?
Janae Aiko.
Cause she eat the booty like groceries?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
What? You don't look at
The
me.
girl named
What is wrong with that?
There's
girl
nothing
named
wrong with that per se.
The girl named Jenny money, you know her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. But no, when I get that vibe from.
Sexy girl who do yoga.
She said yeah, but no.
She do yoga with, I think she do yoga with cassette. I think she does song with, I'm a classic, man.
Yeah. So she do yoga?
And she do song named Yoga.
Oh, the song is called I don't know.
Oh, I thought you actually meant you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But no, I don't really get that vibe from that.
So you work off a vibe?
By the way,
You say looks you work off a.
No.
It's a mixture.
But you work off a
It's
looks.
not just
I know
one,
me
like-
not hear you say nothing about vibe, you know. You look you talk about it.
Sir.
Mm.
I deal with whether or not you can handle it. That's what I
how you know that?
Exactly.
Them look like them. Isn't that the whole point? None of we know
Yeah,
them
exactly.
None of we don't know them. We are guessing. When I guess to them.
Well, I guess
some of them.
No, una
some,
guess it good.
Shenseea can give me.
some of them me not guess.
You
Because
know, right?
you can't find anything on the internet. So some of them
Like-
me not guess.
Shenseea, if you ever watch this, like, you gotta link me. Like, girl,
Yeah, put your number in the description.
Yeah.
choke.
Chad the fireman. Come over, bro. Let you see. Yes.
No,
Yes.
what girl you sing this song with the fireman night?
Man.
Aishana.
Who?
Yeah, she's smashable.
Aishana.
She cute. And she smashable.
Miss Legendary.
Yeah.
Aishana.
I love her. Is it?
No, I don't think so.
No?
I'm going to Aishana, brother.
Why?
Because she wants you to, you know,
All night.
bend down.
Oh no.
Okay, guys. I think this is the end of this smash and pass video. Right? We don't have nobody else.
No,
need a
but
And
it's-
Thank you.
time ago. So if you guys want to request a part 2, y'all already know what to do. Drop us a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. If you want more content like this, do not be afraid to give the video a thumbs up so I can know you guys like these type of videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow my socials, and all their socials will be in the description bar below. Yeah, love and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I don't know, say bye-bye. Me?
Oh.
Bye.
Chad, what you doing?
Really?
Like, let's know.
Somebody was supposed to do this.
Like, me just
Bye, guys.
Me saw one girl see me. So I said,
Just build them and I work with the thing now. She just said bye. We are going to say bye.
hold on.
I think those two are gone.
Like,
I don't know.
like
Maybe we
that,
did
no,
it wrong.
like that girl,
We definitely do it wrong because you understand me,
like
so.
that girl when you watch it, that girl, like,
She run a background, that's
yeah.
Alright.
You never have to look so.
Yeah, Chad.
Son jealous of you, you're hot.
Too much laughing I got in that video.
Toodles.
Toodles. Bye.